and the competition. This is something that is very unprecedented. It's a very great day. Will provide medical assistance and services in all Nairobi West competitions, not leagues, but competitions. And by competition, I mean our end-of-year playoffs.
The ecosystem of football is quite diverse and very large. Within sports medicine, you've got nutritionists, you've got physiotherapists, and you've got so much more that we require as a country and as a federation in terms of progressing the game. So this today is a significant step.